boys and girls. This is a Yeet Bro. This is a taste test, and it will be but drinks. There's a guy right there. Okay, let's start this.
Here's our first two drinks. Hopefully Evan doesn't see them. Colors. It's going to be mine, chicken. We're going to start off with this.
Water. Water.
Ding, ding, ding.
Ah, so that's bad water.
Now for this one.
A Capri Sun.
Right.
Apple.
And
apple. And so hard. Apple.
you're right with the apple.
Orange.
Is it?
Ding, ding, ding. Wait, I got it right?
Yeah.
Yes! Let's go!
All right, now for the last one.
Yay! Come on, man. Come on, baby. Tastes so good. And please comment for suggestions and do something. Here he comes. I'm gonna put my mask on. And be safe with the coronavirus.
If you have any family members that are sick, stay home. And
Like in the first video
Watch.
to get the noise, he's still in the same thing. Okay,
right, for his last drink.
That is so easy. Mountain Dew.
Ding, ding, ding. He got it right.
That's
All
so
of them
easy.
right. Like, good job.
So good. Okay, I'm gonna go do the drinks. Here's your hey, babe. Take this with me.
Hold on, I need to tell something. Alright, so he agreed no.
It's a little more sun. Oh, is that better?
Yeah, it must be better. Alright. Rex. No. Come here. Rex. Rex. Come here. Come here. Come here. Alright, here's Rex.
Our newest member of the Yeet Bros.
Rex. Oh, here's another one. Our other member. Woody. Rex, we have a one. Here's Woody. Apparently they're not in a good mood. But whatever. You almost done, Evan? All right, bring him over.
Here I come. Okay, I gotta tell him what it is. Rex, stop. Ready? Whoa! Sorry.
Orange,
Oh no!
what was it?
Grape date Gatorade mix with water. Rex, stop. Okay, I'm gonna be back.
Comment down below if I'm gross.
That? Okay.
This is a beautiful color.
Okay, let's do this.
Mountain Dew.
Yes.
Is there a mix in it?
Yes.
Mixed with blue Gatorade.
Yes. Ding ding.
Wait, I'm right? Because it's green?
No, but look what kind of green it is.
Dark green.
No, that's actually like a light green. And I mixed that with water.
Alright, so I've got one right. I'm doing good. Alright, he's coming with the next one. I can move it because there's sun.
Okay.
Too much sun.
I'm setting this down right there. This is probably going to be the hardest one. You can take another sip if you want.
Orange Gatorade mixed with no.
Okay, Diet Mountain Blue Gatorade was in there first, then I put Blue Mountain Dew in there, and then Grape Gatorade. Wait, watch this. You want to see what color this turns it?
Yeah.
Same color, and then you add a little bit of these. Make it start green. Now try that. Probably tastes the same thing as that. Does it?
Not that. It's like a sparkly.
Water?
Great.
Okay, that is it for this video. Bye bye from the Ep2.